Hello guys, today I'm at ROBAM's warehouse to test out how powerful these high performance Rangehoods really are. So what I have here with me today is I've got an airflow nanometer. What this does is it measures the air volume as well as the air speed that's being pumped out from these Rangehoods. So let's get into it. Okay, so we've got the ROBAM A812. So the A812, it's actually the same machine as the 608. So for the testing wise, I'll just do one test because we've got exactly the same machine. 812, we've got the 900mm wide glass, whereas the 608, it only comes in a 600mm wide glass. But motor wise, filter wise, everything else is exactly the same. So in this test, I'll be testing the A812. So let's turn this over and plug it in. Let's see how much airflow this can give us. So before we can measure the air volume, let's measure how big the outlet is. So going across, we've got 161 millimeters, and going down, it's sitting at about 162 millimeters. So 161 by 162, that gives us 0.026 square meters, and that's the area, the total area of the outlet. So 0.026 square meters. I've got that set up on the machine already. Let's turn it on and we'll see how much airflow this machine gives us. So that's pretty steady at 29 cubic meters per minute at the moment. Let's jump down to 28. Up to 29. Let's call it 28 cubic meters per minute. That'll be our safe bet. Okay, let's call it 28 cubic meters per minute. I'll change the settings to the airspeed, which is measured in meters per second. So that's pretty steady at 18 meters per second. Okay, let's call this 18 meters per second. And that's the airspeed. I'll turn this off. So there we have it. ROBAM A812 and the ROBAM A608, they're same models, just with a different glass, same motors, same everything else. For the airflow rate, we're looking at 28 cubic meters per minute. That translates to about 1,680 cubic meters per hour. So 1,680 cubic meters per hour with an airspeed of 18 meters per second. And that's the same as when you're driving in a car 64 kilometers an hour. So if you're driving 64 kilometers an hour, open your windows, that's how fast the air is rushing out. So there we have it. Test in real life, ROBAM A812 and the ROBAM A608 model. So how is all that airflow generated? Well, all of that airflow comes from this centrifugal fan, steel construction, spinning at over 5,000 RPMs. Now, this fan is driven by a single 200 watt motor, which uses the same amount of power as 2 light bulbs. So there you have it, ROBAM Rangehoods, extremely efficient, yet extremely powerful. Until next time, I hope to see you at ROBAM.